Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Decor Styles. Friends, 3D wallpaper for home is a great way to transform your living space into a stunning and stylish environment. 3D wallpaper for home can create a realistic or abstract effect that adds depth, texture, and personality to your walls. Whether you want to create a cozy bedroom, a modern living room, a relaxing bathroom, or a vibrant kitchen, 3D wallpaper for home can help you achieve your desired look. There are many types of 3D wallpaper for home, such as floral and tree wallpaper. This type of wallpaper features beautiful flowers, plants, and trees that can bring nature into your home. You can choose from different colors, styles, and patterns to suit your taste. For example, you can check out 3D golden tree and white flowers wallpaper or 3D roses wall mural for your living room. The next is 3D marble pattern wallpaper. This type of wallpaper mimics the elegant and luxurious look of marble with its smooth and shiny surface. You can choose from different shades and designs to match your furniture and accessories. For example, you can check out dark blue modern marble texture wallpaper or pink and gold marble texture wallpaper for your bedroom. The next is 3D wall murals. This type of wallpaper covers the entire wall with a large and detailed image that can create a stunning visual impact. You can choose from different themes such as animals, landscapes, art, and more. You can check out this 3D elephant family wall mural or golden jungle theme with animal 3D wall mural for your kids' room. 3D wallpaper for home is very easy to install and remove. Unlike traditional wallpaper, 3D wallpaper for home does not require glue, paste, or professional tools to apply. You can simply peel and stick the self adhesive wallpaper to your wall and remove it without leaving any residue or damage. This makes 3D wallpaper for home a convenient and cost effective option for decorating your home. 3D wallpaper for home is durable and eco friendly. 3D wallpaper for home is made of high quality materials that are waterproof, moisture-proof, anti-mildew, and anti-fouling. You can easily wipe off any stains or dirt with a damp cloth. 3D wallpaper for home is also environmentally friendly as it does not contain any harmful substances or emit any odors. You can rest assured that 3D wallpaper for home is safe for your health and the planet. 3D wallpaper for home can suit any style and preferences. Whether you prefer a classic, modern, minimalist, or eclectic style, you can find a 3D wallpaper for home design that match your personality and taste. You can also mix and match different 3D wallpaper for home designs to create a unique and creative look. For example, you can combine a 3D brick wall mural with a 3D graffiti art mural to create an urban and edgy vibe. Or you can pair a 3D ocean wave mural with a 3D dolphin mural to create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. I hope this helps you to decorate your home with 3D wallpapers. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have fun exploring the different options and enjoy the amazing 3D effects. Thanks for watching.